Kaunti ya Nyamira nigo chitatigiri magega ase ogokoria buya samate mwayega gatiabo eskuru ya Alimo Academy, eskuru ya Eronge, eskuru ya Royal Metropolis na bege eskuru ya St George's negati eskuru chirichiaba chikwenekia amachibwa maya eskuru ya Erong aba director kurwase eskuru ya Eronge na bego eskuru ya Royal nigo baba kogokera amachibwa yo na gotebuna nigo bagochekogendera kubeka omokia ase amatukari mutwe ase eskuru ya Royal Metropolis nigo babwate minsko ya 382 awase skuru ya Eronga Adventist yabwate minsko ya 359.
Okay, kwa na yambwata matokeo Royal Metropolis aso mwana mutangani yabwate 416 ne mini yeskuru 302 82 an improvement from last year where we had a mean of 380. So the first child scored 416. We have 12 of them scoring more than 400. And we have 55 scoring between 350 and 399, and only 4 below 350, giving us a mean of 382. So these are good performance, and this is what we expected to get.
I mean, over 36 candidates who have scored 400 mark, and we anticipated to have 50 plus. But looking for, as the exams were released out, seemingly there was a lot of moderation. That is why you saw that the best candidate in the country who scored only 428. With us, our best candidate is scored 413, and the lowest scored 190. And those who are below 250 were only 3. So at least with that normal curve, we are satisfied that our candidates did well. We had over 350 candidates this year, and those who scored 300 marks and above were 321. So those who are below that mark are only 24. So at least we are proud of the mark, and we thank God for that. And I want to take this opportunity to thank our teachers who are very dedicated, and our parents too, who are very committed and very supportive.